Okay, so I'm just going to go through the answers for the algebra test. Okay, so Paula is X years old and it says Liam is 3 years younger. So if I write an expression for Liam's age in terms of X, so it's X minus 3. There was 5 marks going for that. Then Paula in 4 years time, so it's X plus 4 for Paula. Again, there's 5 marks. And Liam in 4 years time. So Liam was X minus 3. So in 4 years time, it's X minus 3 plus the 4, which is X plus 1. Alright, so that was a bit tricky. Again, there's 5 marks going for that. So if you got partially right, you'd only got 3. Okay, and then it says the sum of their ages in 4 years time is 37. Find Paula's age. Alright, so it's Paula plus Liam in 4 years time. So X plus 4 is coming from here, and X plus 1 is coming from here. Okay, so it's X plus 4 plus X plus 1, because sum means add, equals 37. So the X's, there's 1 there and 1 there, so I have 2 X's, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Bring the 5 over, it becomes a minus, so 2X equals 31, so X equals 15 and a half, so Paula is 15 and a half, and there's 10 marks going for that. Okay. Question 2 then was find the value of this when A is 5 and B is 2. So you're just filling it in and into your calculator. And there was 5 marks going for that. Then it was list the natural numbers that satisfy this inequality. So we solve inequalities like we solve equals. We keep x's at one side, numbers at the other. But if it says list, then you just have to list what numbers satisfy this when you get to the end. So let's start by bringing over the 2, it becomes a minus. So 3x equals 11 minus 2, which is 9. Divide by the 3, so 9 over 3 is 3. So x is less than or equal to 3. Now it was natural numbers, so it's only whole positive numbers that are less than or equal to 3. So 3, 2 and 1 are your answers. Okay, those 5 marks going for that. Then again it was another inequality and you wanted to graph it, plot it on the number line. So bring the 20 over, so you get 7x is less than or equal to 49. Divide by the 7, x is less than or equal to 49 over 7, so x is less than or equal to 7. It was x is an element of R or Q, I can't remember which it was, but that's where you do your full line. So once you put your dot at 7 and did shade it in and put an arrow, you were good. Alright, and there was 10 marks going for that. And then the last question was just solve. So solve means find x, so x is to one side, numbers to the other. So the 3 comes over and becomes a minus, the 10 comes over and becomes a plus, 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9, 5 marks. Here you needed to multiply first. 3 5 is 15, so 15a. 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 4 by a is minus 4a, and minus 4 by minus 2 is plus 8. So I think this is what, gosh, yeah. So then put your a's together. 15a take away 4a is 11a, and minus 3 plus 8 is 5. Okay, and those 5 marks going for that. And the last bit, 3x minus 1 equals 2x plus 5. So x is to one side, bring over the 2x becomes a minus, bring over the 1 it becomes a plus. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, and that's you done. So it was out of a total of 60. Okay.